Later in the morning, the jury in the case talked about this decision that will keep Jodi Arias off death row. They didn't want to go public and show their faces, but they definitely had a lot and some very interesting things to say.
William Pitts has been covering the sentencing retrial for months and joins us live with that jury's reaction. William?
Well, some of those jurors were crying as they left the courtroom today. When we talked to them later today, they said it had been a tough couple of months, and they were livid that one juror, in their words, would not listen to reason. The 11 jurors and their alternates were angry.
I think we're angry because we felt they didn't deliberate with us. It wasn't part of the conversations at the table. That's what we felt like.
Angry at one juror, the lone holdout, the one who gave Jodi Arias life instead of death. The jurors who didn't want to be seen on camera said that juror had an agenda. They said she was biased from the beginning of deliberations and wouldn't listen to them. At one point, they asked Judge Sherry Stevens to replace her.
We weren't sure what I was allowed to put on the question sheet, but we raised two concerns and went as far as also to respectfully request consideration of an alternate.
They said the holdout juror had seen the Lifetime movie about Arias and was using that in deliberations.
The reason that we did wasn't because she disagreed with us. It was that she had brought up seeing that she'd seen parts of the movie and she'd kind of followed it. So it kind of, you know, in our minds, we kind of felt like, not that she came into a bias, but that she, because of what she'd seen, she'd seen this monster, from what she had seen, and when she got there, it's not what she saw.
They're angry at the defense's portrayal of Travis Alexander as a pedophile and physical abuser. They didn't buy it.
We felt like they put Travis on trial, focused on that rather than the reason why we were there.
When we reviewed the records for ourselves, at least I will say that I got a totally different picture of Travis.
But all of them said they're tired of secrecy, tired of court, tired of fighting that lone juror, and sad they couldn't deliver a verdict.
Devastating.
Knots in the stomach.
Devastating.
Lack of sleep.
Most of us have not slept this week.
Now, the jury said they didn't believe a single thing that Jodi Arias said in court. One of them even called her a psychopath, and they said it was very telling that no one, not Arias, not even her own mother, got up in court to plead for her life. Live in Phoenix, William Pitts, 12 News.